And good morning, everybody. This is Mike Niemiec with some early morning grain and oilseed comments for Thursday, March 23rd. Overnight trade still on the defensive after Sunday night's firmer trade, and we've been on the defensive ever since then. So once again, are we under the suppression of the South American crop? Are we under the suppression of the anticipation of the end of the month USDA reports that are going to come on out? In our opinion, they're going to be on a non-bullish environment as far as acreage and or quarterly stocks go. We're going to get our weekly export sales that are going to come out here later on this morning. They're looking at weekly export sales in the neighborhood of around 250 to 450,000 tons of wheat. They're looking at corn sales of around 900,000 to 1.2 million tons of corn, which could be kind of advantageous, but once again, when we look at the South American crop coming at us, this could be a little bit disadvantaged as we go forward. Bean sales are looking at around 350 to 555,000 tons, meal 150 to 350,000 tons, and soybean oil 0 to 50,000 tons. The thing that I thought was most interesting that's been happening this whole week, and that happened also in the overnight trade, was this explosion in open interest. Huge gains again in the wheat, corn, beans, meal, and oil. So here we are at new lows for the move, and why are we moving lower in here when we think that maybe people thought during the month of February that we would have maybe not a crop problem with the what ifs? Here we are finding out that even though we're starting to move lower, why is that open interest building? So I thought it was kind of noticeable to go and try and point out to you folks out there to go and try and take some notice of it. And as a result, we still have the people relatively net long the beans, meal, and oil, now starting to build a short position in the corn and have a sizable net short position in the softwood winter wheat. And having said that, will they pounce on that as we go through the month ahead as a factor for the fact that South America is okay, we're losing business, and the USDA comes out with non-bullish supply and demand numbers going forward. So once again, these are my opinions, not that of ADM or ADMIS. Thank you.